Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to discuss the answers for the book exercises of Chapter 8, Healthy and Fit. Page number 33. The reading and explanation of the chapter was already done in my previous video. Okay, let me read the questions one by one for you. The first question is, arrange the given pictures in the correct order. Okay, some pictures are given here. We have to arrange them in a proper order. First combing, then bathing, brushing, wearing school dress and ready for school. Okay, we have to arrange this. What do you do when you get up early in the morning? The very first job you do is brushing, okay, from these pictures. First we brush our teeth and then we take a bath. So brushing should come first and then taking bath will come in the second place. And the third one is combing of your hair. After taking bath we used to comb our hair. And number 4, wearing school uniform and ready for school. Number 4 is wearing school uniform and ready for school. So first we brush our teeth and take a bath, comb our hair and wearing our school dress to get ready for school. Okay, clear? Next is revision time. All of us should follow good healthy habits to remain fit. The explanation has already been given to you. पहले समझाया ना मैंने, ऑनलाइन क्लास में भी आपको समझाया है कि कैसे हेल्दी हैबिट्स के साथ कैसे हेल्दी हैबिट्स हमें फिट रखता है. ओके, एंड सेकेंड इज हेल्थ इज वेल्थ. ओके, नाउ लेट्स आंसर. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. वेक अप अर्ली, लेट इन द मॉर्निंग. शुड वी हैव टू गेट अप अर्ली और लेट? Yes, we should get up early in the morning. Okay. Always wear clean, dirty clothes. Can you see this clearly? Should we have to wear clean clothes or dirty clothes? Clean clothes, because clean clothes only make us look smart. Okay. Next, drink boiled or dirty water. What is the correct answer? Boiled water or dirty water? We should always drink boiled water, clean water, because clean and boiled water is free from germs. Okay. Next, wash your hands with shampoo, soap. Now tell me, do you wash your hands with soap or shampoo? Hands are to be washed with soap, isn't it? Okay, this is the correct answer. Here boiled is the clear answer and clean is the correct answer. We should use shampoo to clean our hair. Okay, so when we are washing our hands, we should use soap. Okay, now question B part. Answer the following questions. Actually, no need to fill these questions because we do question answer in our CW copy. I will send an assignment for you, but still we can discuss the answers here. So no need to do this. How should we take care of our teeth? Teeth को कैसे हम take care कर सकते हैं? We can only discuss the answer. We should, you can say we should brush our teeth in the morning and at night, or you can say straight away we should brush our teeth twice a day. Okay. How should we keep our nails clean? Nails को कैसे clean रखेंगे? We should cut our nails regularly. Regularly हमें अपने nails को cut करना है. How should we keep our mouth clean? मुंह को कैसे साफ रखेंगे? We should rinse our mouth with water after every meal. कुछ भी खाने के बाद, कुछ भी हम खाना खाते हैं या टॉफ़ीज़ खाते हैं, आप लोग स्वीट्स खाते हैं, आइसक्रीम्स खाते हैं, जो भी खाएंगे उसके बाद you have to rinse your mouth with water. Okay, good. Now next page. This is page number 34. Can you see this page? Yes. Here Hart's question is there. What will happen if we do not brush our teeth? अगर हम ब्रश नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा? बताओ क्या होगा if we do not brush our teeth? Then we develop cavities. Tooth decay बोलते हैं ना, जो cavities होता है which can cause tooth to fall out. वो नीचे दांत खराब होते हैं, cavities आते हैं उसमें, और we have to take out the teeth. Tooth loss हो जाता है. ठीक है. So it is better that you should brush your teeth twice a day. Early in the morning, as soon as you get up, and before going to bed at night. Okay? Right. Now read and learn this rhyme. This is a small rhyme for you. Good, better, best, never rest. Till good be better and better be best. ओके, गुड को बेटर बनाना है और बेटर को बेस्ट बनाना है, तब तक हमें रेस्ट नहीं करना है. दिस इज़ अ नाइस राइम. ओके, लर्न इट. इट्स जस्ट फॉर अ फन एक्टिविटी. एज अ फन एक्टिविटी यू कैन लर्न दिस. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कलर दिस स्लोगन. एक स्लोगन दिया है, इसे कलर करो आप. क्या लिखा है इसमें? अ हेल्दी माइंड लाइज इन अ हेल्दी बॉडी. So it means that we should be both physically and mentally healthy and fit. हमारे माइंड और हमारी बॉडी दोनों को हमें हेल्दी भी रखना है, फिट भी रखना है. ओके, कलर दिस स्लोगन ब्यूटिफुली. राइट. नाउ लाइफ स्किल्स. टिक वेयर यू फील हेल्दी हैबिट्स हैव बीन फॉलोड. So look at these pictures. There are 3 pictures given and we can see one by one. The child is brushing his teeth. Is this a good habit or not? Yes, this is a good habit. And what about this? This child is taking bath. This is also a good habit. If we do not cut our nails and keep them dirty, then the nails will have germs and that can make us fall ill. That can make us sick. So this is a very bad habit. This is not a good habit. You should always keep your nails clean and short. Okay? Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Do the answers in your book and you can send it for checking. Thank you. Have a nice day.